Installing a smart three-way light switch can seem tricky, but it's simpler than it looks. In this setup, we have three cables. One 2-wire cable that brings power in, another 2-wire cable that sends power to the light, and a 3-wire cable that travels power between the two switches. For these smart switches, there is a main switch and a satellite switch. The main switch has a line wire, a neutral wire, a ground wire, and 2 traveler screws, and must be installed at the switch location where the hot wire and neutral wire are present. The satellite switch has a load wire, a ground wire, and 2 traveler screws, and installs at the second switch location. Before installation, a voltage tester is used to confirm power, which will determine the location of the main switch. Always test the voltage tester on a known power source to confirm that it's working properly. As we can see, the 2-wire cable in the box on the left is supplying power. This is the hot and neutral. With the power identified, it's time to turn off the power and begin the installation. As you can see, the ground wires are already connected. Next, the neutrals need to connect all the way through to the light. At the main switch location, the white wire from the 2-wire cable is connected to the white wire in the 3-wire cable. At the satellite switch location, the white wire from the 2-wire cable is connected to the white wire in the 3-wire cable using a wire nut. With the neutral wire now in place, it is tucked into the box at this location. Back at the main switch location, the neutral wire from the main switch is connected to the 2 neutral wires with a wire nut. The neutral wires can now be tucked into the box. The red and black traveler wires from the 3-wire cable are connected to the traveler screws at both switch locations. It doesn't matter which traveler wire goes to which screw. At the satellite switch location, the load wire from the satellite switch connects to the black wire in the 2-wire cable that leads to the light. At the main switch location, the line wire from the main switch connects to the black wire in the 2-wire cable that supplies power. With the wiring complete, the switches are mounted and the faceplates are attached. The power is turned back on to test the switches. The installation is now complete. Like this video if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.